ready for your surprise?
Okay.
Wait, close your eyes. Close your eyes first. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Can you count 3, 2, 1? 3.
2, 1.
Surprise! What's that?
Train.
Thomas the train? And
There's a purple train.
purple train.
I wanna open it and see what.
Who made a mess here?
I wanna open it.
Okay, open it.
Catch it, Papa.
Throw.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yay!
Who made a mess here? You? You said you will clean up the mess. Did you make a mess, Soblessed? Look what happened here. Oh no.
There's 3 eggs.
3 eggs.
I want to see this plastic. Oh, open this plastic. There you go, Papa.
Okay, just put it there.
This? No, look it. It's a chocolate.
Yay!
Look.
Okay, crack it. There you go.
Oops. Wow, it's a surprise from a key rocket. That would
Okay. Here you go.
Wow, what's inside, Mama? Whoa, it's another.
What's that? It's a blue tray.
Wow, look at this view.
Can you show it here? Whoa.
It's a long
that's
tray.
Nice. It's a long tray. Hey, what are you doing, Soblessed? Who made a mess here? Oh no. You need help? Here you go. Is it the same tray? It's another shape. Is it Thomas? Ooh, there are 2. Okay. You have 1 more egg.
I want to see what's in Papa. If there's 2 blue trays, let me just see what's here. Let me just 2 and let's crack it. Let's see what's in another card.
Okay.
Let me just see what's. Oh, what's it gonna be? Oh no, it's cracking everything. Whoa, it's another one. Can we click it again?
Oh, sorry. There you go.
Papa, I got to throw this trash, all of them.
Yeah. You have to throw the trash, baby.
Oh,
You're making
that's great.
a mess. You told me you will clean it up. Whoa, what's that? It's Thomas. There you go. Here you go. So fine. Here's the last one.
Wow, last one. This one.
Hey, what are you doing under the table? Soblessed. Hey.
Papa, you'll be the biggest one, not the smallest one, Papa. Papa, I want to play with. Oh no, sorry, trains. Take off the stickers, Papa. Take off the stickers.
Okay, let's put it on the train.
Yes, Papa. We can assemble it so fast.
What's Soblessed doing? He's biting the dog. Okay, let's assemble it.
Few moments later.
There it is with the stickers. Okay, that's it for now. Can you wave goodbye, please? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching.
Subscribers, John.